Okay, so this is the start of a teardown, but like this phone is disgusting. Like, why? This is like that Nokia brick phone. Ugh. Look at how dirty that is. Ugh. Like there's all this stuff falling out of it. Like that's the plastic front of it. Ugh. Let me put this back. Yeah, I'm gonna need the nice screwdriver. This. It's really falling apart. Like, these are so cheap. Oh God. Like it's all just cheap plastic. Look at that. Nokia 2260. This entry-level TDMA phone sports polyphonic ringtones, picture messaging, downloadable ringtones, changeable faceplates, and 3 games. You could play phones on this. Its display was 84 by 48 pixels. Its battery was 950 milliamp hours. It could hold up to 200 contacts. You could play Snake on it, Space Impact, and Pairs. Wow. Ugh. This whole phone is just gross. Ugh. Like it's honestly like falling apart. Like the screen's gonna fall out or something. I don't know. But like, I think this phone's nickname was the Brick, and yuck. So cheap. Like these are the buttons for the that's the screen and the so cheap. Like, it's so old. The plastic is just, it's obviously degraded. I don't know. This must have been early 2000s. That's the RF shield. Ugh. Why does it have all those holes? And then, like, can you see the rust on that? I don't really want to turn into this anymore. This phone is disgusting. There's like stuff that fell out. Thanks for watching. Blech.